Introducing new colors to our cult favorite, Color Drop Serum Blush. 4 new shades, starting with Peachy Peach, a peachy orange, Venetian Rose, a beautiful vintage rose, Little Lilac, a soft lavender pink, and Cherry Splash, a classic red for every occasion. Color Drops is formulated with Sacha Inchi Oil, Squalane, Hyaluronic Acid, and vitamin E. 1 drop is all you'll need. You can apply this under or over makeup. It feels like skincare, but looks like makeup, so you don't need to compromise. Enjoy the best of both worlds, makeup and skincare hybrid. Color Drops are vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Available only at mcosmetics.com.